Installing a system board. Lower the system board into the chassis and insert the connectors into the slots at the front of the chassis. Slide the system board toward the rear of the chassis until the system board is secured in place. Install the 9 screws that secure the system board in the sequence as shown. Install the following components. Connect all the cables to the system board. Install the front I/O bracket into the chassis. Make sure the small tab on the right side of the front I/O bracket is placed behind the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the front I/O bracket to the chassis. Connect the power cable to the system board. Install the front bezel. Install the server cover.